Hey guys, No Buzz 12 here. Here's a 42-inch Hunter original ceiling fan. Got this from Donovan Blahut at Fanimation for $25. It's from 2002. Has that stupid oil thingy. And it runs like a champ. And here's low, by the way. Medium. I've wanted one of these for a long time because the ones that came are really childhood, and now I have one on a long down rod in my garage and I love it. You can tell it's blowing pretty good air, and here's high. Yeah, it flies. It doesn't really hang, excuse the mess, but it doesn't really hang all that low in the garage. It's a 10-foot ceiling anyway. It's 2 foot down on it. Anyway, thanks for watching.